Hello, Cara.
Hi.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself, please?
Of course. I'm Cara. I'm 40 years old. I live in London and I own a luxury events business.
What did you want to change about your smile?
I've had bonding done a couple of times now, which I adore. I love the finish, I love the straightness of my teeth and the colour, but it doesn't last. I'm a coffee drinker, a red wine drinker, and the staining happens every sort of 2 to 3 years. I'm needing to get it changed, so it wasn't sustainable for me. I've also got quite a narrow smile, so I really wanted something that could elongate my smile. And I think veneers is probably the only way forward.
Why do you want to change your smile?
Just a confidence thing. I'm surrounded by very beautiful people in my place of work, and I do public speaking and I'm pitching a lot. So for me, it's purely a confidence thing.
And why did you choose Dr Manrina?
I did a lot of research. I actually went to see a fair few different dentists, and with Marina, I really felt that she sort of explained everything to me in layman's terms, which I needed. She's incredibly technical, an incredibly warm person as well, and I just felt out of anyone I saw that she would give me the most.
How do you think this will change your life?
I don't know, I don't think teeth will dramatically change my life, but I think it will definitely give me some more confidence and just, a happy to smile more on a day-to-day basis.
Cara came to see me because she has 6 teeth with composite bonding, and it was time for the bonding to be replaced. She wanted her smile broader. She wanted a really perfect Hollywood type smile that still looked natural. So we decided to do 10 DRMR porcelain veneers, taking her smile from a lovely smile to one that's absolutely perfect. It's time.
It's time.
So this is where your smile is right now.
Okay.
Obviously you've got that composite bonding on your front 6 teeth, and we wanted to replace that and broaden the smile. So this is what we've planned for your 10 porcelain veneers. It's similar to what you had before, but just so much more perfect.
It is.
You can see the smile is broader, the teeth is symmetrical, it's very Hollywood.
Yeah.
We're going to make sure it also looks natural. We've got some nice natural undulations in the teeth.
Amazing.
And it's going to look absolutely stunning. What do you think?
I'm excited. I'm really excited. It's going to look so beautiful. It shows how imperfect my teeth currently are, so it's going to be nice to have them perfectly straight and white.
Yeah!
Amazing.
Okay, Cara, it's time for the moment of truth.
So
I actually cannot wait to show you what we have created in your mouth. It looks so stunning. Okay, here we go.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Yeah.
I can't believe they're my teeth.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, they're amazing.
They're amazing.
Perfect.
The colour's so perfect.
Shows that colour. And they still look natural, don't they? They've still got that natural edge to them. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So nice.
I feel like it's your teeth, but better.
Yes.
Yeah.
Makes me look so young.
Oh, you're beautiful. Yeah, really beautiful.
Oh, they're amazing. Perfect. That's perfect. Thank you so much.
How was your experience at DRMR?
Oh, it's amazing. I think any sort of dentistry work, there's always a level of anticipation first. It's so knowledgeable, the whole step of the way I felt like I was guided. I know a bit of nerves, but the team could not have been nicer. Sort of guiding me every step of the way, making me feel comfortable every step of the way. Yeah, they were fantastic.
What do you like about your new smile?
Gosh, everything, firstly, but I think mainly I've always had quite a narrow set smile. So I felt when I smiled, not many of my teeth were on show, and it's something I've always disliked. So that's definitely one of my favourite things. They're so white, but not overly white. I don't think they look fake. They certainly don't look like those sort of Lego teeth you see on so many people. Everything, I couldn't fault them. I'm so overjoyed with them.